Alright. Alright, so this is a new class, yeah, with a new friends, yeah. Don't be desperate, guys, and don't be what's that again? Hopeless, yeah. Because when you want me to move you to the class A, so you're gonna be like a little exam from me, okay? Jadi kalau teman-teman mau pindah ke kelas A, sampaikan, nanti saya tes pemahaman, saya tes pronunciation dan lain sebagainya, okay? Alright, so before we starting our class for today, please lead the prayer first. Come on. Attention, let's pray together. Prayer start. Finish, read to the teacher.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, please have a seat. Is this seat empty or not? Kosong apa enggak? Majuan. Move a bit. Okay. Move a bit. Geser sedikit. Okay, yeah, to the front. Alright. That's quite crowded, yeah, today. Alright, so we have 30 days to go, ya. 30 hari lagi ya. 30 hari lagi before you holiday, going back to your home, ya. Are you homesick, guys? Homesick? Rindu rumah? Yeah, homesick mean rindu rumah, ya. Homesick. Okay, before we starting our class, I want you to know this vocabularies from my class, ya. My class, this is dozens, mean puluhan, ya, puluhan. Misalkan puluhan murid apa bahasa Inggrisnya?
Dozen students.
Dozen of students. Hundred, seratusan, thousand, seribuan, millions, jutaan, billions, miliaran, ya. Trillions, pakai trillions. Summer apa summer? Ya,
Musim
panas. Winter, musim dingin. Die,
Mati.
ya mati. What's that?
Pasti itu
Ya,
gagal.
terbunuh apa gitu ya? Ya, I don't know. I don't even know this meaning because this is from night class, ya. Ada postpone, ada delay, artinya menunda, ya. Menunda, happen, terjadi, place, tempat, ya. Pemutih, whitening. Ya, if anyone like to use whitening, ada yang suka pakai pemutih? Baju atau Mr. Alfa? Oh really? Okay. Any question before we start, guys? Ada pertanyaan sebelum kita mulai? So after we finish all of the material in the article, ya, we got maybe like 7 days to go, ya, about the article. After that we're gonna learn about the phrase and then situational. Jadi kita akan belajar tentang frasa-frasa, kemudian di situasi-situasi tertentu, ya. Gitu. How many which day right now, guys? Sekarang ke hari ke berapa? Day 18, ya. Oh iya, kemarin itu yang di kelas A itu kita startnya dari day 16. Yang kelas A, yang kelas B day 12. Day 11, ya. Day 11 kan day 11, ya. Oke. I'm sorry, I'm so sorry. Yaudah, sekarang kita mulai ke yang belum aja, ya. Day 11 udah. Ada yang belum angkat tangan? Coba raise your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 of you, ya. Yang belum day 11. Kita ke ya. Okay. Who haven't yet gotten this paper? Okay, 1. Berapa orang? 1, 2, 3. 3 orang. Here, each person have 2 papers, ya. Ada 2. 1 orang 2 ini. 2 kertas. Kita lanjutin day 18 dulu deh kalau gitu. Coba dibuka dari ke 18 ya. Udah semua 18. Belum semua kan 18 ya?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna start to pronounce of this word. 18 adalah problem, solution, decide, choice. Wait a minute. Decide, choice, agreement, discuss, advise, listen, action, result, mistake, correct, plan, careful, change. Terus kemana nih? Support, reason. Support and reason. Balik. Udah sama? Ada yang ketinggalan? Which number?
Number 7.
Reason. Oh, 7. Advice, nasihat ya. Okay, repeat it together guys. Start 1, 2, 3, go.
Problem, solution, decide, choice, agreement, discuss, advise, listen, action, result, mistake, correct, plan, careful, change, sure, reason.
Okay. What the English of pilihan? Choose memilih. Choice pilihan. You have to choice. Kamu pilih. Okay, I give you 2 minutes ya to learn this new vocabularies, please. 2 menit. Alright, time's up. Okay, for the first line here, this is first line, second line, third line. Okay, I wanna ask first line, please close your book, close the paper. What the meaning of every problem has its solution? Apa artinya? Sebaris, jawab sebaris. Ini baris pertama, baris kedua, baris ketiga. Come on. First line.
Setiap masalah pasti ada solusinya.
Okay. What the meaning of we should correct our mistake. Okay. Let's have a seat. We should correct our mistake. We should correct our mistake. Yeah. Give up. Give up. Give up. I'm gonna throw to the second group then. We should correct our mistake. Nah. Incorrect. Line. Second line. Come on. We should correct our mistake.
Kita harusnya memperbaiki kesalahan.
Should itu seharusnya. Ya, should. Okay. Alright. Okay. Second line. Okay. Second line. Listening to someone's advice is obligation. Listening to someone's advice is obligation.
Mendengarkan nasihat adalah sebuah kewajiban.
Nasihat siapa nih? Someone. Okay. One more question. Don't try to find problem if you don't want have a trouble. Don't try to find problem if you don't want trouble. Find kesalahan if you don't want get trouble. Trouble tahu trouble? Troublemaker, pembuat onar, buat masalah ya. Sering dengar. Trouble itu sama masalah juga. Masalah. Okay. Alright, third. The third group ya. Please listen carefully. I have a plan to go to my home next week. Next week. Minggu depan. Okay. Okay, my friend has an agreement to solve this problem, but he suddenly disappear. Okay. I repeat it again. Listen carefully. You including third ya, Noval. You got group 3. My friend has an agreement with has an agreement to solve the problem, okay, but he suddenly disappear. Untuk menyelesaikan masalah, but he suddenly disappear. But he suddenly tiba-tiba. Suddenly disappear. Apa disappear? Hilang. Okay. But he suddenly disappear. Suddenly baru ya kayaknya ya. Wait a minute. Disappear, hilang. Trouble, masalah. Disappear, hilang. Suddenly, tiba-tiba ya. Okay. Alright, so this time who asked your rice faster than the other, so you can answer the question, okay? Siapa yang bisa jawab angkat tangan, kelompoknya bisa menjawab, okay? So what the meaning of appointment, guys? Appointment itu Janji. Punya janji. Ya. Okay. So which group can answer the questions to translate? Just raise your hand as a representative, okay? So what the meaning? What bahasa? Kalau dalam bahasa Inggris ya, kalian ngomong bahasa Indonesia itu bahasa, bukan Indonesia. Kalau English ya, ke bahasa Inggrisnya dan familiarnya. Could you speak bahasa? Not could you speak Indonesia nggak? Could you speak bahasa ya? Apa kamu bisa bahasa Indonesia itu artinya gitu ya? Can you speak bahasa? Nah, bukan can you speak Indonesia nggak? Can you speak bahasa ya? Alright, so raise your hand if you can answer the question. Okay. So what the meaning of I listen many advices, but it cannot solve my problem yet. I repeat it again.
Yes.
Okay. I listen to many advices, but it cannot solve my problem yet. Okay.
Aku sudah mendengarkan banyak nasihat, kan tapi nasihat-nasihat itu belum meringankan permasalahan.
Solve apa solve? Touch itu touch. Solve the problem. Nah, solve itu menguraikan masalah. Problem solving apa? Pengurai masalah ya. Solve. Kalau ini biasa pakai solve. Solve. Terus tadi apa lagi ya? Solve aja. Solving. Okay, one more time again. I feel very annoyed. I feel very annoyed when someone try to correct my mistake. Okay, I repeat it again. I feel very angry or very annoyed when someone try to correct my mistake.
Aku merasa bisa ketika seorang berusaah membenarkan kesalahan.
Berusaha
Mencoba membenarkan kesalahan.
Membenarkan kesalahanku ya. Membenarkan ya, mengkoreksi, membenarkan kesalahanku. Okay, how about this one? I'll give you 2 sentences, okay? Sometimes mistake can be a lesson for those want to learn, but sometimes it also can be dangerous for our life. I repeat it again. Sometimes mistake can be a lesson for our life, but sometimes it also can be dangerous. Okay, Zilan?
Kadang kesalahan itu dapat menjadi pelajaran buat kehidupan.
Okay.
Dan terkadang
kesalahan
bisa menjadi
bahaya. Okay. Alright, so I want to ask you which one is more difficult? Translate to bahasa or translate to English? Bahasa ya, to understand because this is also the skill Not only can translate bahasa to English, but sometimes it's more challenging. What's the meaning of challenging? Challenging menantang. Okay, I want to try. Maybe start. We can move to the article right now, please. Open your article. Okay, so for the first line, please read with pronunciation, and then the second line you translate into bahasa, and the third line give a conclusion, kasih kesimpulan. Okay, understand? Alright, not yet. Grup yang pertama baca artikelnya, grup yang kedua translate ke bahasa Indonesia, grup yang ketiga berikan kesimpulan. Okay, nanti gantian. Okay, so start from group 1, please. Read it together.
Every problem has a solution. When we face a challenge, we must discuss it and decide on a good plan. It is important to listen to the advice.
Advice D bacanya. D karena ada A I U E O ya. Harus ada huruf vokal A I U E O, sounds ya, sound. Suara A I U E O itu kalau ada D pakainya dibacanya di, kalau E bacanya en ya. En. Repeat it again. Start from it is important.
It is important to listen to the advice.
Wait a minute. Can you speak or read faster? Like this. It is important to listen to the advice. Yeah. Try. Come on. One dari it is ya. 1, 2, 3 go. Come on.
It is important to listen to the advice of our teachers. Don't be afraid to make a mistake, but you must correct it. A careful action will lead to a good
Result. Okay.
result.
Keep going. Continue.
What is your reason for this choice? We must support each other to find and improve.
Okay. Please second line. Translate into bahasa. Together. Sebuah solusi. Okay. Kemudian terus.
Ketika kita menghadapi sebuah tantangan, kita harus mendiskusikannya dan menghasilkan rencana yang bagus.
Terus.
Penting, karena itu penting.
Itu adalah sesuatu yang penting.
Sesuatu yang penting untuk mendapatkan dari kita.
Ulang lagi. It is important, teman.
Itu ada dari kita. Jangan takut untuk membuat
Sebuah kesalahan. Terus.
karena
But
akan tetapi kamu harus
perbaikinya. Come on, terus. A careful action.
bertindak.
Bukan, a careful action apa artinya? Tindakan yang hati-hati. Lead. Ya. Lead itu memimpin, kan artinya memimpin ya. Bisa artinya memimpin atau bisa artinya ya membawa lah ya, membawa. Will lead to a good result. Akan
membawa hasil yang bagus.
terus
Apa alasan dari pihak tersebut untuk bulan ini?
ulang lagi apa alasan
Alasan untuk pilihan ini?
ini terus
Kami harus mendukung
each other apa sesama. Each itu setiap, other itu orang lain, berarti sesama. Each other sesama, to find an agreement. Ya, untuk menemukan persetujuan ya. Third group, please. Grup yang ketiga, the conclusion maybe apa? I give you 1 minute ya, 1 minute. Try find a conclusion. That's okay, that's fine. So you have to search first. Jadi teman-teman kalau mau cari conclusion, you have to search or find a keywordnya dulu apa nih? Keywordnya yang dibahas ini apa? Tadi kan di sini agreement ya, agreement some mistake, Yang dibahas apa nih? Dari agreement sama mistake itu jelasin. Cari ya key point-nya 1 atau 2 atau 3 ya. Key point-nya apa? Okay. Whenever you're ready, guys, please tell me. Ready? Al? Not yet. Zaidan? Not yet. Okay, one. The conclusions of this article show us about, okay.
Sometimes the problem
is dangerous for you, and sometimes the problem is good for you.
Good for it. Okay.
Tergantung.
Depend.
Depend.
Tergantung depend.
Depend how you solve the problem.
How you solve the problem. Okay. Oh, yeah, that's correct. And then anyone? Please, Zidan maybe? Or Lukman, Razib? Yeah, come on. Novel or Novel? Do you have a conclusion? That's fine. Conclusion it doesn't mean to literally the same as like an article ya. Gak harus sama dari artikel. Ya. What you understand from the article? Apa yang kamu pahami dari artikel di sana yang kamu baca tadi kan? Misalkan, based on the article, we should to solve the the problem by receiving advice from our teachers, for example. If receiving advice, menerima saran ya, masukan. Come on, anyone? Satu lagi. Kelompok 3. Oke, I point you then. Saya tunjuk aja kalau gitu. Zidan, please. What you get from the article? Apa yang kamu dapatkan dari artikel?
To get a solution with a problem.
With a problem. To get solution with problem and then?
The problem.
Okay.
From problem.
From problem.
We must discuss it with a plan.
With a good plan ya. Okay, that's fine. Okay, that's correct. One more person from third group. Satu orang lagi dari grup 3, come on. No one? Okay, I'm gonna point you. Maybe Novel. What you get from the article?
When we face a challenge or problem, we must discuss with a friend.
Yeah, that's fine.
With our friend, and to get a good plan, because that is important. And we must support
each other sesama ya. Ingat-ingat each other sesama. Each other sesama. Okay, what time is it right now? Jam berapa sekarang? Jam berapa? 14, 14
and
35, 14:35 nggak usah pakai nggak apa-apa. 14:35 ya, berarti 40:35. 14:35, 14:35. Okay, so right now I want you to make conclusions ya. Partnering with your friend, group of 2 people only, and then ask your friends about the conclusions, and then it's gonna be like the other round, gantian, take turn ya. And then after you give a solution, give a conclusions to your friend, and then take turn with your friend conclusion. Ask about have you ever make a mistake, and then how you solve the mistake, how you solve the problem. Understand? Jadi sekarang partneran 2 orang, tanya kesimpulan dari artikel nama, udah saling nanya, saya kasih waktu masing-masing 7 menit untuk tanya kesimpulan. Setelah itu tambah 8 menit untuk nanya apakah kamu pernah membuat kesalahan dan bagaimana kamu menyelesaikannya, bagaimana kamu memecahkan masalah tersebut. Understand? Right now find your partner please.
About this.
Ya, buat artikel yang tadi ya. Teman-teman. Anyone, siapa aja, partner siapa aja, bebas.
Every problem has a solution.
8 menit ya. Harus ini ya. 4 menit, jangan lebih, jangan kurang ya. 4 menit. 8 menit.
How do you do if you find your mistake?
Konklusinya aja, kesimpulannya apa? With your word, dari bahasa kamu sendiri. Kan tadi udah nih denger ya, dengar kesimpulannya apa, mana yang nangkep aja, sampaikan pakai bahasa Inggris kesimpulannya. Jadi kalau kita menghadapi masalah sesuai dengan artikel ini, kita harus tadi kan di sini mencari guru dan artinya udah paham kan, udah hafal ya, artinya udah tahu ya. Coba baca sekali artinya, pahamin, sampaikan kesimpulannya, paham? Yeah, you have to do the same thing, yeah, with your friend. Take turn, gantian, okay? Yeah. What was the conclusion? What are you doing, guys? What are you doing, both of you? Give a conclusion of this article. Kesimpulannya apa? Close the paper, okay? Because you already hear ya. Tadi udah dengar kan ya? Pembahasannya apa? Coba. Selama 4 menit ngomong. 4 menit. Take your time, come on. Maybe, ya.
I want to buy and then I want to say
I'm sorry, giveaway. Afraid, takut. Afraid. Do you understand, Razib? The article, understand the article? The meaning of the article, understand? All of this, understand? Yeah? Little. Do you understand, Zidan? Okay, so right now, when you still have a context, baca aja nggak apa-apa, baca. Tapi kalau udah dibaca sekali, udah paham, kayak baca bahasa Indonesia nih. Apa sih konklusinya dari yang saya baca tadi gitu ya? Ditutup aja. Coba berpikir pakai bahasa Inggris misalkan. Kan tadi saya bilang cari key point-nya apa? Key point-nya apa di sini? Keyword-nya apa? Kata kuncinya di sini? Ya? Ya? Problem ya. Kan problem solve, ada solve, ini ada advice kan. Nah, coba cari apa yang dikatakan, ada yang hal penting nggak di sini menurut antum gitu kan? Kalau ada sampaikan dan coba menurut kamu kenapa itu penting gitu ya? Explain. Apa explain? Hah? Jelaskan. Oke? Understand? 4 menit ya, jangan lebih. What do you want to say? What do you want to say? Conclusion, okay. Is he already give your conclusion? His conclusion? Udah memberikan tadi kesimpulan udah? Oh, not yet. Okay. Come on. Dengan matang, we have to think carefully, bisa carefully dengan hati-hati. Kalau matang itu sebenarnya mature ya. Tapi kalau di bahasa Inggris nggak orang nggak ngomong you should to think mature, nggak. Think carefully bisa, carefully ya, carefully ya. Oke, ya, welcome. Pasti, Isaac. Okay, guys, friends, take turn, gantian. Teman yang lainnya yang memberikan konklusi ya, gantian. Okay, 4 minutes start from now. Come on. 4 menit dari sekarang. That's fine. Menerima. Menerima receive ya? Receive. Kalau receive apa receive? Receive apa receive? Receive, mendapatkan. Ya, meraih, reach out ya. Receive. Hah? Menghadap face. Face wajah bisa, menghadap bisa. Wajah, muka, wajar. You can say common lah, common. That's common. Itu wajar, itu umum gitu ya. That's common. Setiap apa setiap? Every. Setiap kita menemukan, berarti setiap kali ya. Setiap kali kita menemukan ya. Ada kalinya kan ya. Berarti every time we find. Every time, setiap waktu, setiap kali ya. Every time. Curhat. Curhat, sharing your curhat. You can say sharing story. Sharing your feeling. Sharing my feeling berarti saya yang curhat. Sharing your feeling berarti kamu yang curhat. Terburu-buru, rush. Yang ada di mobil tuh rush biasanya. Rush. Apa? What's your one say? Cara membaca. Cara itu how to ya. Soul jiwa. Should ya. You should ya. Should. Alright guys, please pay attention. Time up for sharing your conclusion. I want one person to give a conclusion and then explain to the audience. But still with your partner, because after that you're gonna share again about difficulties, how to solve problem and blah blah blah. Okay, one person please. Satu orang maju ke depan. Apa yang kamu dapatkan? Come on, satu orang. Siapa aja? Ayo. Come on. This is moment. You Don't bring your book. Don't bring your book. Come on. Ya, ayo, come on. Rahmat, come on, Rahmat. Okay. I give you 2 minutes. 2 menit. Jelaskan 2 menit. 1 minute. Ya, 1 minute enggak apa-apa. Kirain kurang 2 menit. Ya, 1 menit so.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
Oke, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh. I stand here from you. I will explain my conclusion.
Oke.
But but
30 detik lagi ya. Finisher
menyelesaikan masalah.
about solve the problem.
Yes.
Solving problem. Okay.
Yes. Maybe guys. So every time we find a mistake, we must Because we must
10, 9. Additional time, waktu tambahan. You need additional time or not? Butuh waktu tambahan atau enggak? Satu menit. Come on. 30 detik udah. What do you say?
I forget.
You forget what you say.
Yes.
What to say? Okay, you can get back to your seat. Get back to your seat. One person, maybe satu orang. Jelaskan 1 menit. Ayo, Al, come on Al. This one, 1 minute ya, 1 minute only. Start from now, come on.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
The problem is some of life. So you then become afraid to make mistake. You just solve a problem and then you don't be afraid. Then be afraid that problem.
That's all? Okay, thank you. Get back to your seat. Satu orang lagi, 1 menit. One more person, come on, harus berani. Ayo, come on. Start. 1 minute, start from now.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this life, we still have the problems, of course.
Okay.
To solve the problems, we have the
No.
we have the different solution.
Okay.
And the solution depend on what keadaan.
Condition.
Depend on the condition. And maybe if we have the problems with my friend, maybe we can we must say to us friend, we must say thanks. We must say sorry to us friend.
Alright, that's all. Okay, thank you, Asad. Teman-teman, kalau misalkan bilang hadapi secara jantan ya misalkan ya. Face like a man. Nah, hadapi dengan jantan ya. Face like a man. Okay, so right now you should to ask your friends, have you ever had how? Pertama tanya ini dulu. Sini ya. Have you ever had problem? And ini pertanyaan pertama, pertanyaan kedua. And how you solve it. Ya. Tahu ya artinya ya? Have you ever had? Had ini artinya punya ya. Apakah kamu pernah punya masalah dan bagaimana kamu menguraikannya atau menyelesaikannya? Okay. Each person have 3 minutes ya to explain to your friend. 3 menit untuk menjawab pertanyaan ini. Ini mungkin ini 2 menit, ini 2 menit ya, 2 menit, 4 menit ya, 4 menit. Jadi setiap grup punya 8 menit. Oke, you must start right now. 4 menit tanya ke temannya.
Yes, of course.
I have problem. Atau enggak I have had problem. I have had problem.
It depends how you solve it. I discussed it
Two minute more, 2 menit lagi. Pemerintah menyuruh pemerintah apa? Pemerintah dan menyuruh komen. Komen atau order. Ya, jalan keluar. You can say jalan keluar, maksudnya jalan keluar memecahkan masalah atau jalan keluar. Escape way. Escape way. Ada pertanyaan? Ya.
And if my condition and I must like if I find problem I must be the
Oke, time's up. Take turn, gantian. Sekarang gantian ya, gantian. Take turn, come on.
How do you do?
What time is it? What time? What time is it? Huh? 2 minutes left before 3. Okay. That's fine. Menghilangkan vanish. Menghilangkan apa nih? Menghilangkan masalah. You can say menghilangkan masalah ya. Clear, bisa eliminate, finish. Menghilangkan atau menghapuskan ya. Diusir. Expel. Expel. Will? Dia akan. He will expel. Ya. He will expel. Expel. And then tidak lepas. Unsparatable. Nih. Unsparatable ya, tidak lepas. Menyerahkan. Give memberikan, menyerahkan ya. Atau submit. One minute left, 1 menit lagi. Unsparatable. Alright, thumbs up. Pay attention, please. Time's up. Okay, one person, please. Come to the front, explain what you got from your friend. Discussion. Satu orang. Yang jangan yang udah, yang belum. Come on. Satu orang. 1 menit, jelaskan 1 menit. Come on. Ya. Enggak tadi diskusi yang tadi. Ya, yang ini. Try. Okay, come on. Zam. 1 menit ya. Yo, you may start right now, please.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Yes, the solution with my friend. If he faced the challenge or problem, first time he pray to God.
To God.
To God. To God.
Kalau God kambing.
To God.
God.
And he discussed to his family and his friend, and they support him.
Oh yeah, they support him. Okay.
And he
Chooses, yeah. He chooses.
he chooses the solution, and he chooses the solution
And apply, ya. Apply atau apply? Apply itu melakukannya ya. Or do it, apply or apply aja, apply. Menerapkannya ya, apply. Oke, continue.
He chooses it and he play it, and if he cannot solve that problem, he submit that to the God.
To the God. Okay, thank you ya. Oke, submit. Submit itu God. One person, maybe satu orang lagi sebelum kita tutup. Ada? One. Please, come to the stage. One minute ya, start from now, please.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
The solution with my friend, if he has the problem, first of all he correct this mistake, and secondly he fight to face
Fight.
berjuang.
Oh ya. Di struggle. Bisa.
Struggle.
Kalau fight itu
Fight
ya, berantem. Struggle. Berjuang ya?
Yes.
Oke, continue.
Struggle to face the mistake.
Okay.
And thirdly, he try and submit to God.
To God also same. Okay. That's all. Okay, thank you guys. Oke, kertas tadi mana yang nama-nama orang? Mana peserta? Oke. Thank you. So, tadi yang maju siapa aja? Lukman ya? Lukman, siapa lagi? Al. Ada pertanyaan nggak guys? Kalau ada pertanyaan, boleh silakan. Al, namanya siapa Al? Ada nggak di sini namanya?
I don't write it.
Oh, you haven't write it. Siapa yang belum ngisi nama di sini?
Sorry, excuse me. Actually, yesterday I said you. I wanna come to the class.
Oh, A-class ya. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. You and also Novan and all of people here also want to move to the A-class ya. Jadi banyak yang mau pindah ke kelas A ya. But after that, I have to assess you first ya. And then if you deserve to the class A because you understand maybe my pronunciation, and then you have know a lot of vocabularies, I'm gonna move you maybe, but later on ya. Nanti bakalan dipindah ke kelas A, oke? Just be patient, sabar. Siapa yang belum mengisi? Cuman Al aja. Siapa lagi? Udah semua ya. Oke. Ada pertanyaan guys? Ya, sip.
What's the meaning of implement?
Ya.
What's the meaning of implement?
Implementation. Diimplementasi, diterapkan juga sama. Implement. Sama kayak apply ya, apply. Applicable berarti dapat diterapkan. Apply. Implemented. How to implement this regulation? Bagaimana cara kita menerapkan regulasi ini? Ada lagi pertanyaan terakhir? Nggak ada? Ya? Leader. Lead ya. Lead itu memimpin. Ya, memimpin. Berarti kalau di sana ini apa namanya? A careful action will lead to a good, bakal memimpin. Maksudnya memimpin itu kayak menunjukkan atau membawa kita, kan pemimpin itu kan membawa gitu kan, lead. Jadi kehati-hatian dalam bertindak dapat membawa kita ke apa gitu ya. Okay, so that's that, guys. Before we closing our agenda for today, please recite Hamdalah together. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. You may continue your activity, guys, please.